Whoops. Okay, back to the spaghetti bowl. That was very loud. Before I do anything else, I want to fix this part right here. So what I do is I click one of these vertices, I look at the tilt. So 162. So basically once it gets to 180, or past 180, it does weird stuff. Wait a second. Oh, it's negative, and then it goes positive right here. So what we need to do is take this all the way to the end, which is here, and we're gonna minus 180. Just kidding, minus 360. 60. Maybe add 360, hold on. Yeah. Some weird twisting here, so let's put this 0. Hold on. So somewhere here, since this doesn't go 100% 180, huh. So from here, let's go all the way to the end. Mean tilt, let's make it 0. Actually, maybe I have to disconnect it. It'll act normal. No, it does not act normal at all. Oh. I'll move this to negative 360. Huh. Why is it doing that? It should still follow the curve, whether or not. Ah, that's at the start. Right here's the start. Let's do plus 360. So this is gonna be weird anyway. Wait a second. I think I know what's going on. Let me go back. Let me go back. Okay. Need to go to curve settings and see, is it tangent? No. There's some setting in here. There we go. There's some weird stuff happening here. Fix that though. Okay. Kamera. Okay. So we go over this. It looks normal. Okay, cool. And the loops look normal. Skip through this. That's normal. Yep. Cool. Okay. Let's do some more track stuff. I think what I'm gonna do, which I don't want to worry about that. I'm gonna look at some reference. It looks like each one of these, ooh, some of them don't. Yeah, some of them don't have the fins. Let's save that. Let's go to the track element. This we can hide because that doesn't really matter. Let's extrude on the Y. Oh, it's already doing that. Skill X 0. Also, this is a ton of geometry that I know I'm gonna have to get rid of, but okay. Oh, excuse me. Let's attach. Whoops. That. This will be 4. This will be 4. Okay, cool. Dum, 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 dum. What is... Merge by distance. That topology is weird, but dissolve edges. Actually, this doesn't need to exist at all. Maybe I should calm down. Okay. Okay. I gotta make everything sharp. So when sharp. Actually, let me just shade auto smooth. It'll just do that. Actually, no. I'll figure something else out. Bum, bum, bum. Circle Y? Yeah. Or this doesn't exist, it's just a triangle. It's a triangle. That was very excessive, but ugh. No, shut it off. Is it time? Is it time? I think it's time. Do some imports, some links. Yeah, let's link. Track. Move to mesh. Move to unit. Move mesh to unit. Oh Jesus. Didn't bring in the. Alright, that looks like the most recent one. Okay, so I do have to actually model everything on the X. Oh. Okay, so if I use this. Junior global X. Apply scale. Okay. There you go, that's fixed. It's like so much geometry. Actually, yeah, we are gonna dissolve vertices. Dissolve. Look at this. Dissolve edge. Nope. Maybe just delete edge. Sweet. Alright, check normals. Oof. I keep panning around because I'm trying to see what these shadows and stuff look like over here. Looks fine. I don't want to give it too much geometry because it's already like way too much in the rails. Okay. Message. That. Whoops, I don't know what I just did. Delete that. This. Set origin to the cursor. Rotation is also off. Okay. So then we'll rotate. Duplicate, rotate 45 on the X. 22.5. Okay. Duplicate, rotate on the X, 22.5. And then we'll duplicate, rotate X, negative 45. See, I can do math. Just convert to mesh, join. Then I want to duplicate that. Gonna mirror global X. Okay. No, I think I don't think I'm gonna put the bolts on here yet, because I want to get the track done. Let me start with this. Or just this side. Oh shoot. I probably should have done this before duplicating them all. Alright. Also, I need my stats. This is already 1,000. Maybe I should split this in half like everything else. So if I do ever have to do anything mirror-wise, I could just do half, especially with the EVs. Anyway, here, link, gonna duplicate that, split it. Over here-ish. Duplicate, we're gonna mirror on the Z. Now this and this. Merge. Join, whatever. So let me have that there. Oops. Gonna duplicate that, flip on the X. Move the GC1. Move this over to 1.1. Join these together. Delete that. Move this down. 1. I should probably turn on this. Okay. Nice. Now I'm going to bring in, let's append this time and generate track piece. Generate, spine type, generate in type. Intimate track generator. I just want the, maybe it is link. Intimate track generator. I'm gonna copy this. Edit group. Can't go. So let's copy this. Let's get rid of that. Geometry nodes, make a new one. There we go. Okay. Alright, so let's go to each one. What is this? Start type. I do believe that there's only exit group, frame. Dun, 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 dun. How do you delete it? It's not letting me edit it. Cross ties. Or linked data blocks cannot be renamed. I'm not trying to. Is this a link? Hold on. If this is a link, erase all of this. Wait, but this isn't. It's an track generator. Copy. How about I copy this? Copy. Let's go into. Okay. I'm gonna copy the structure. Let's start with this. I don't know if I have a reason for wireframe here. Space group. This is gonna be tough. I think I have to. Alright, I have to do this. I can only have one open at the time. Come on, Blender. Boo! Garbage! Boo, 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 boo. Let's save this to my desktop. And then we go into that. Let's save that. Which goes into this. Save. Inside. So that all goes into joint geometry and then that. Oh man. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's call this. This, yeah. Okay. Check start. Let's do unit count. I don't need bracket 1 and 2 fins for mounting bracket. Yeah. It's gonna be a Boolean fins. And then last one is spline. Actually, bracket 1 and 2 I think I still need. Do I? I don't think I figured out that bracket thing, so I'm gonna not count it. Okay, track start. Start type selector. I don't need an ID or that or wireframe start. Need an object, which is it's gonna output, yep. Don't need an ID or track type. Start. Oops. I don't think I need any of this. so I don't need that. Low key, it might just be this. Hold on. Track start. Spline. Duplicate this. Track end. Let's do cross ties. I don't think I need track on everything. Start in cross ties. And then we do like a realize instances. So we gotta start in cross ties. Let's do rails. I'll do rails and include the spine in there. Right? Nah. Track rails. Move to unit. Ah. How do you insert? Love that. 1, 2, 3. Alright, unit start. Unit count, it's gotta go somewhere, right? I'll put it in there eventually. Alright, what are we missing? We got... Okay, I should... Let's do plan. Track generator. And then, what is it, spine? Let's get rid of this. So on here, we can just add geometry nodes. Track generator. Okay. Track start. Let's make a track template folder. Spine goes in there. Rails. This is cross tie. What's going on? Spin. Okay. Okay, that's just part of the cross tie now. Let's join. This is going to be just track start. Copy to selected. Track start. Spider. Here. Can't see. Two, three, four, five. Okay. Track start. Let's do track start. Nice. Let's hide this. Track end is going to be track end. Cross ties, cross tie, rails, rails, spine, spine. Nice. Unit start and end. Perfect. I think I should put track of all these, but not when it's on the actual geometry node, because the end user doesn't really care about that. Okay. So now I got to make sure the unit count means something. So let's do track end. And then we'll do a move to unit. Start. Let's do this. No. Let's get rid of that. Unit start. We also need a unit end. Our unit count. So unit start, unit count. So when you take the unit start, and then we're going to add this value to it, and that's going to be this. Yep, so that goes there. It's looking easy so far, but I know better. I don't like that. Yeah. Okay. Doesn't matter, but track in, track start is always going to start at the unit start. So move to unit. Come on. Alright, unit start. It's going to be unit start. So whatever this is. Actually, I don't think this is necessary. Yeah. Because it's adding one per. Alright, yeah. Overthought that one. Alright, so this one doesn't need unit start. Okay, cross ties. Wait, so does that mean, let's move this down. Say 1. No, so just be unit count. Okay, unit end. I need to fix this. GX minus 1.1. Okay, so we need this to be as if it is connected to it. So then when we edit it, or when we put it in here, when I put 1, it actually goes to unit 1. Track end. Unit count is the start, so unit count 1. value. Ah. I need to copy, paste, make a group. No. Take this geometry, the value. Okay. I mean, this one's pretty simple, but I'm not gonna use my brain if I don't have to. No. That. Okay. Okay. So, you need to move. Okay. This value here needs to be a integer, first of all. This is unit start. We don't need an offset, but we do need unit distance. So it's going to be this here. Just delete that. Okay. I should probably give it an offset anyway. Let's duplicate that. Okay, so we're going to take the offset, multiply it by that. Okay. So unit start is unit start. Wait, where are we? What is this? Track end. Okay, so track end. It's gonna be the unit count. Ah, 1.1. 1.1 is the distance here, so if we move this, it goes along with it. Perfect. Unit start. I don't need unit start. Cross ties. Ah, okay. Now I need to see what math I did. Oh, jeez. No. Generate cross-tie array position. Oh, jeez. This is gonna break my brain. Generate horizontal bracket. What am I looking at? Where did it go? What? Maybe I shouldn't have saved. Oh, I have to I see, I see, I see. Start. Let's do the default. Track start. Cross tags. And default. Back cross tag. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, so we take this object. Oh my gosh, I have 30 minutes left. Definitely not going to finish in 30 minutes. Okay, so take this geometry. I need to make an array. Make array. Smooth. Brace it out. So the amount, space amount. Brace amount is unit count. Right. Alright. Nope, not that. This one. Current track unit. Space amount. Oh, jeez. What's inside make array? Spiral geometry nodes. Class tag. No. Make array. Unit spacing, unit start, offset. Brace amount. Duplicate elements. Set position. Duplicate elements and set position. Duplicate elements, and eventually there's a set position. I'm just gonna do it this way because copying and pasting I don't think is gonna help. So you got the geometry. Instance, spline, instance, duplicate elements, point. Make array. Duplicate elements. Amount is brace amount. And brace amount is instance. The index. What? Offset. I am so lost. I'm beyond lost. This. So this value, we're gonna make it an integer. It's gonna be unit count. So if the unit count is 1, actually, I think it's just equal to unit count. Because we don't have a start and end. Ba, 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 ba. What is that one called? I am so rusty. It's only been like, what, 2 weeks since doing this? Feels longer. Oh, it has been. It's been 3 weeks. Jeez. Select endpoint selection. Is that what it was? Yeah. Oh. Okay. Maybe that would have something to do with it. Endpoint selection. I am so rusty. I only have 30 minutes left. Alright, let's get the rails. Wait, the rails? Oh. Well, the rails have to duplicate as well, and the rest of these three have to duplicate. Oh no. Okay. Let me at least organize this. I'll make a panel. Call it. To Google this one. Geometry nodes. Right. That's your right. Geometry nodes. But I can't figure out how to make the arrays for some reason. I just work with geometry nodes, so I did this part. Does anyone know? Thank you. Did they use what I did? No. These instance on points. Okay, it's not working in your case because the spheres are still just instances, not real mesh. Realize the instance at the end. Oops. Maybe it needs to be realized before then? I can't see this. Instance on points, curve to mesh. Ah, but they're using a curve also. Instance on points. I need this. Making our geometry nodes. Geometry nodes, so I try to someone without a program after mindset. Here's the result. I think this would be simplistic, right? So it'd be instance on points, but the points is a grid. Set material. Let me try that. Instance on points. Adding a grid. The Y is 0. The size is going to be, let's do some math here. Let's do unit count multiplied by 1.1. That's going to be the X size. Number of vertices in the X direction. Zero. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this, yeah. It does need, oops. Things are happening. Okay. So that needs to be 1. Got it. So this is 3, 4. So that's correct. 2. Do I need more math? Let's divide by 2. Okay. Position. Instance on point, set position, there we go. Offset. Five. Cool. Not cool. Damn it. NL2. It seems like the spacing in between the cross ties gets smaller. Yeah, it definitely is. Maybe this divide. This, but it's generating from there and it needs to offset. But why is it offsetting there? Oh, because it's offsetting from here. Oops. 2. No, it's offsetting from here, but the origin is here. 1.1. The X size. Yeah, it's like growing from this one point. So the offset. Gonna have to do math. No. Okay, so the offset is gonna be. Wait, let's do a set position, and then a combine XYZ. This will be the offset for position. I'm gonna put this at 0. All right. Okay, so it's gonna be offset. Wait a second. Let's do 2. Ah. If I do that, that'll be 5, 5. And then if I do this, it would move to. So we're going to add 0.55 each time. Unit count is 1, then it's 0. If it's 2, it's 0.55. So we're going to take the unit count, math, so if this is greater than 1, Boolean math. What is it called in Blender? Mesh Boolean? Jesus. Okay, so we're gonna take the unit count, subtract 1, not clamp. Then we'll add 0.55 to the X each time. That's not gonna help for each one though. Yeah. I need to, I don't know how to iterate that. Each time this goes up by 1, so 1 is there. Then I minus 1. Or is it yeah, let's do minus 0.55 each time. I have 10 minutes. I'm not going to figure this out in 10 minutes. Also the distance between these points, the vertices is going to be equal to whatever the unit count is. So the unit count times 1.1 what is this number coming from? So this let's do the offset. Let's actually put this at 0. So let's say it's 3. 3 would mean that this would start 0.55. And then this would be 3.3 meters. Minus 1, so let's say 2.2. Maybe that's it. So 2.2, so it's going to be minus 1. And then this is going to be 1.1. 1.1, please. Thank you. So this is what I need. But how do I do the math to get that? So what we'll do is we'll take this number. Oops. We'll subtract 1. Alright, take that number, subtract 1. Then we'll multiply it by 1.1. And that divide by 2. I don't know about all that. And then we'll make that the size there. So that stayed the same, perfect. Alright, it looks like we have the spacing down. Now this. So 3 is 1.1, 2 would be 0.55, and then 1 would be 0. So we're adding 0.55 each time. So we need to take the unit count, duplicate this. So we need to take the unit count and multiply it, divide it by take this number, subtract 1. Subtract 1, so now it's 0. Multiply it by multiply it by 0.55, and that is the offset. No freaking way! Alright, there we go. Okay, there we go. I'm a genius. I know. Everyone calm down. There we go. So now we have the cross ties. Sweet. Okay. I might go a little bit over just so I can implement this in the rest of our nodes here. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go over because even though I have 4 minutes left, I still wanna finish something. You know, my brain's not working because I'm kind of locked in on moving these nodes, which is not important. But okay, so that. This here, let's group it. Let's call it track array. So the instance X is going to be the geometry. Vertices X is cross ties. Unit count. Then we have our math here. Reckon. Do that. Track array. Okay, sweet. So now with the rails, we'll do no. Track array. Geometry, unit count. Unit count. Let's go. Save that. Then for the spine, do the same thing. Track array. Unit count. All right. So now, perfect. It's working, and then we can of course move this. One thing that makes me nervous is if it rotates. Track generator. Okay, let's go to the other file. Whoops. Let's get rid of this. Let's add geometry nodes and do. Oh wait, we gotta link. Let's go to the current project under assets. Yeah. Node tree, track, no track generator. Track generator. Track start. There we go. Track end, Poltergeist, cross tie. Oh, no, not track end. It's fine. Let me go back. Ah, I didn't set. There we go. Track rails. Didn't set the default. Spine. Save that. Go to the other one. Please do not crash on me. Okay. Rails. Track rails. Spine. Track. Spine. Oh my gosh, it's 5 o'clock. Okay. It's going in the wrong direction. But let me at least make sure it goes upside down. Perfect! Okay. There we go. There we go. I'm not sure like what I'm supposed to do with this direction. Because, yeah, because going negative doesn't work. Okay, so I need to change the direction of this. Switch direction. Okay, track mesh, unit count. Let's say it's 7. And then what we would do, this would be like track piece number 1. And then what we would do is duplicate that. I don't have my unit things. Okay, so that's what I'll do next time is I'll go over the actual unit distance here because it's not lining up, which I kind of forgot about. Ha ha ha. Bum, 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 bum. But yeah, the track is tracking, and then also with the camera, let me press O, offset 0. Why is it there though? I'll fix the camera eventually. Because I don't know why it's defaulting to here. I feel like the Z rotation needs to be 180. Or is it X? Why no? So now it's going forward. Okay, cool. I still don't know why it's not starting where the track starts. This is negative something. But at least we don't have like the connector parts of the track yet just because this is technically all one track piece. But once we get all the track pieces in, that should work. The sad thing is that these geometry nodes are like infinitely more simple than Fahrenheit. It's kind of annoying, but it's a little bit annoying. Yeah. Alright, sweet. That's it. 5 minutes over, but we actually did figure it out, which I was not banking on. What we need to do is make it so that instead of this being one track piece with 712 cross ties, we'll fix the offset so we can place each track individually, and then after that we can place the little spine connectors and then start building the supports. So yeah, I'll be on tomorrow at 3 p.m. Pacific. Be doing the same thing here. Feel free to join if you're able to. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and then hopefully tomorrow will be more productive than we were today. Even though we did get pretty far, I'd still like to do a little bit more so I can finish within the next like 10 days. Will it happen? I have no idea, but I'm gonna try my best. All right, that's it. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.